So to become Krishna conscious, we require to understand three things only. Bhoktaram Jagatakusam Sarulokamahesaram Sridam Gyartamam Shantamicchati. Every one of us is trying to be happy, satisfied. That is the struggle for existence. But if we understand these three principles, that God is the Supreme Father, God is the Supreme Proprietor, God is the Supreme Friend. These three things. If you understand, then you become peaceful immediately. Immediate. Seeking friend to get help, so many. But if we simply accept God, Krishna is my friend, Supreme Friend, your friendship problem is solved. Similarly, if we accept God as the Supreme Proprietor, then our other problems is solved. Because if falsely claiming proprietorship of things which belong to God, by falsely claiming that this land of America belongs to the Americans, the land of Africa belongs to the Africans. No, every land belongs to God. We are different sons of God in different dresses. We have got right to enjoy the property of Father God without infringing others' right. In family, we live so many brothers, so whatever father and mother gives us to eat, we eat. We don't encroach upon others' plate. That is not civilized family. Similarly, if we become God conscious, Krishna conscious, then the whole problem of the world, sociology, religion, economic development, politics, everything will be solved. That's a fact. Therefore, we are trying to spread this Krishna consciousness movement for total benefit of the human society. We request the intelligent persons, especially the students community, to join this movement, to try to understand scientifically what is this movement. We have got many books, at least 2 dozen books, big voluminous. So you can read them, you can try to understand this movement and join with us. Thank you very much.